Hey, what's up, Case? This is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. This is that custom video I told you I was going to send on over to you, giving you kind of an overview on an audit for your website as well as your online presence in general. So, like we spoke a little bit about, you kind of have an understanding about what we're going to go through, but I'm going to touch base on it more specifically in this video. So, first things first, I know you hate social media. Understandable. Completely understandable. But obviously, having a good presence online, being active online, and having good reviews is huge. People see you're posting all the time. The last time you posted was August 5th of 19. So if anybody were to go online and find you online, they're going to go, what the hell, man? Like, is this company even still around? I haven't heard from you in over 2 years. Well, I should say a year and a half. But still, online presence is lacking, and I know that it's a huge part of an issue for you, so that's definitely something we can consider helping you with. But major thing is reviews. Whether you want this to be a call now or a book now button, that's a big thing too. You can link that to a specific landing page, preferably that more or less just converts to booking appointments and starting sales up, as compared to sending them right to your website. It's really a preference of your own. We like to do landing pages. It converts faster. That's mainly what they're made for, is to do nothing but make people focus on what they looked you up for. Other than that, we have your website. First thing I see that really is a big flag to me is it's not secure. This is called SSL. I think it's about $100 a year to get, so it's definitely something I would recommend doing if somebody has to enter any of their basic information in. If you have a paying option on your website, or if that's something we hope to do in the future, definitely want to make sure that all of their information is secure. A lot of browsers won't even open up this website as well either because it's not secured. But for the most part, let's see here. We're on the homepage, I believe. Yes. So on the homepage, Google wants to see content. They love content. All of this shit right here, right? Words, words, words. Not just any kinds of content, not just kind of some gibberish bullshit, but good keyword relevant words. And I'll go into that more in a second, but I want to take a view of your site. You got a good quick click to call button right here. You got a learn more button. Probably want to have a book now for an appointment, another click to call, email. All of these accredited businesses and links are all good to have as well. You got your license numbers. Those are all good, safe information, licensed, bonded, secured, all that stuff. People want to see that. I could go across the whole website, and I had taken a look. You guys don't have a lot of content. And when I say content, I'll show you exactly how we want to figure out what kinds of content you guys need to put into your website. So I take your URL and I bring it over into a tool here. I like to use this. It's called Eris. This is a paid tool that we like to use. It's not 100% accurate, but it is pretty damn close. So first things we look at are these numbers right here, backlinks. So you have 5.29 thousand backlinks, 8 organic keywords. You have 27 domains that host all of these backlinks. So what that tells me is that you guys, whoever did your marketing or your SEO at one point in time, figured, hey, it's a numbers game. We just need to throw a shit ton of backlinks in there. That's not exactly true. You could have 200 backlinks and still be doing better than your 5.3 thousand backlinks. It's all about the quality of those backlinks, and as well as the keywords. But all in all, as of right now, you're getting roughly 19 people to your site organically every single month. That's not on top of, I guess it's just when people are looking up for contractors, they say, oh, hey, we found Legacy Exteriors. That's happening 19 times a month right now, roughly. That's not bringing you a lot of value. That's kind of an irrelevant number. I don't know why they put this on here, but regardless. So we want to figure out, what does a good website look like online, right? So we have Element Exteriors here, and the reason we grab them is because when we go down, we search roofing contractors in Stillwater, right? This is the keyword we search, and 3 of them pop up right here. This is the Google My Business profile. This is free to create. If you don't have one already, I think you do, though. I'll go over yours in a second. Free to create, easy to update. Definitely want to recommend posting once or twice a week on this, maybe even twice a month, the bare minimum. And reviews. Reviews are huge. If you do not have reviews, you will not be in these top 3 positions. And these top 3 positions gain probably, I think it's 83% of traffic across the website. So you definitely want to be on here. So you can see they got the little map pack as well. We got some of the reviews, so we have that. We also have the Google Guaranteed Ads. This is a way you can just pay to get to the top right away. without having to worry about all of the SEO and organic shit. Otherwise, down here we have the organic section. So this is how people are finding you. In organics is down through here. But so we grabbed Element Exteriors. They're not even on the first page, but I just wanted to show you what potential there is. The big one we'd probably compare to is, where are they at? Lindis Construction. They're a top dog. They're really killing it online. And we're going to figure out what Element Exteriors is doing. So, like I said, it's not exactly a numbers game, kind of, but not always. It's about quality. So these guys only have 87 backlinks. They have 27 referring domains holding those backlinks and 27 keywords, which is getting them 58 traffic. Just damn near 3 times as much just because they're in that first spot on the Google My Business. But, so back to the content. I know we went on a bit of a tangent there. We want to figure out what kind of content we need. So with this, we can figure out what websites have what keywords and what kind of search volume they're getting. So we want to go out and get high search volume keywords for your industry, for your niche. Something like gutter installation Stillwater, that has a 30 search volume. Stillwater roofing, that's a good one, 40 search volume there. Richmond Exteriors maybe is one, throw in there. That's got 100 search volume. We can go on and on and on for days trying to figure out what is the best keywords to have in your website that is relevant to you. But other than that, I think we covered most of it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. I wanted to keep this short. We can go over this a little bit more in depth sometime if you have some more time to do so, but I want to keep this short and informative for you. Hopefully this helps you out. With that being said, like you said, you won't be doing this unless there's some value to bring to you, and I can see that there is a lot of value that we could potentially bring to you by optimizing your website and doing some better marketing for you. With that being said, Case, thanks, brother. Love the truck. Later.